Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Ultra with an Android device. While direct official support isn't available, there are workarounds. First, ensure both your Apple Watch Ultra and Android phone are fully charged and updated to their latest software versions. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth connection process. We'll then delve into the necessary third-party applications that facilitate this unique pairing. Selecting the correct bridging application is paramount. Several third-party apps claim to offer this functionality, but their effectiveness varies. Look for applications with high ratings and positive user feedback on app stores. Prioritize apps that offer essential features like notification forwarding and basic health data synchronization. Always review the app's permissions carefully to understand what data it accesses on your Android device. Once you've chosen and installed your bridging app, open it on your Android device. The application will guide you through the pairing process, which typically involves enabling Bluetooth and following on-screen prompts. You'll need to grant specific permissions, such as access to notifications and contacts, for the app to operate effectively. Take your time to configure the settings to your preference, ensuring you receive the alerts and data you need. It's important to set realistic expectations. While these third-party solutions enable basic connectivity, your Apple Watch Ultra will not offer its full suite of features on an Android device. Advanced functionalities like Apple Pay, comprehensive health tracking, and seamless app integration are typically unavailable. You might also notice a slight impact on battery life for both devices. Be prepared for occasional disconnections and the need to repair, as these are common with unofficial setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.